If you're looking to monitor your cloud security posture effectively, Tenable has a solution that's both robust and user-friendly. Stay with me to understand exactly how to use Tenable to keep your cloud environment secure, and make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll be revealing how you can try Tenable for free with some exclusive bonuses. Tenable helps organizations identify and manage vulnerabilities in their cloud infrastructure. You can monitor your cloud security posture in real time, continuously assessing your systems to catch threats before they become serious issues. By scanning and analyzing configurations, Tenable gives you the visibility you need to ensure that your cloud environment stays secure. Next thing, Tenable integrates well with a variety of cloud platforms, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This flexibility is key because it means you don't have to worry about compatibility. Tenable works seamlessly across major cloud environments. That's essential for modern organizations that rely on multi-cloud setups. The fourth thing Tenable does is automatically assess the security posture of your cloud configurations. It gives you a detailed view of your security gaps, which can be crucial for compliance purposes. For example, Tenable helps with frameworks like CS benchmarks and NIST, so you can stay compliant while reducing risks. Another powerful feature of Tenable is its ability to provide continuous monitoring. Instead of running periodic checks, Tenable ensures your cloud security posture is assessed on an ongoing basis, helping you respond to threats and vulnerabilities in real time. You're not just getting alerts when something goes wrong, you get constant insight into the health of your cloud infrastructure. Tenable's dashboard is straightforward, providing clear visuals and actionable recommendations. It's not just about identifying problems, it's about helping you understand them. You'll get an immediate understanding of what needs attention and what's secure. The next thing you'll appreciate about Tenable is the actionable reports it generates. These reports are designed to help teams prioritize vulnerabilities based on the severity of the issue, allowing you to focus on what matters most for your business and security. At this point, you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, the good news is you can start using Tenable today for completely free. Check the first link below for an exclusive extended free trial with special bonuses available only through this video. Finally, don't forget, Tenable is not just about vulnerability scanning, it's about providing a comprehensive, scalable approach to cloud security posture management. It's a tool that grows with your business, making sure your cloud infrastructure remains secure as your needs evolve. To recap, Tenable offers real-time, continuous monitoring of your cloud security posture, helping you stay compliant, detect threats early, and act on vulnerabilities quickly. You can start using it right now with our exclusive free trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to strengthen your cloud security at no cost. Make sure to check out the link below for your exclusive trial, and thanks for watching.